Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu would pronounce takbir in his tent, hearing which the people in the mosque and the bazaar would also pronounce takbir till Mina would resound with takbir. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu used to pronounce takbir in these days at Mina after the prayers, on his bed in his tent, in the meeting, and on the way, and in all these days. And Hazrat Maimuna radiyallahu anha would pronounce takbir on the day of sacrifice, and women would pronounce takbir along with the men in the mosque, in the lead of Aban bin Usman and Umar bin Abdul Aziz on the nights of Tashriq days. Hazrat Muhammad bin Abu Bakr Thaqafi reports, while we were going from Mina to Arafat, I asked Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu how they pronounce takbir along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, if someone uttered talbi, no one would object, and if someone uttered takbir, no one would object to it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 970.